Good morning, it's the 2nd of November 2010 and this is your daily outlook. The market is turning cautious ahead of the Fed's meeting. The Fed will begin the two-day FOMC meeting today. The Fed is widely expected to announce a second round of monetary easing on Wednesday, with markets generally priced for the central bank to commit to buying at least $500 billion in Treasury debt over the coming months to spur a flagging economy. Much uncertainty surrounds the scope and pace of bond purchases, however, leaving the dollar vulnerable to choppy moves in prevailing ranges. The Australian dollar rose over 1% on the day to 0.9995 as the Reserve Bank of Australia surprised markets with a rate hike on Tuesday. The RBA raised its cash rate by 0.25 percentage point to 4.75% as a preemptive strike against inflation. The South Pacific currency is expected to struggle around parity with the US dollar. In October, the Aussie dollar traded to 1.0004, the highest for the Aussie since the 1983 float. The euro failed to hold above 140 again and retreated to 138.62 overnight. It has since recovered some ground and currently trading at around 139.40. One reason for the weakness in the euro was simmering concerns on Eurozone countries' debt problems. Yesterday, the Irish bond yield jumped almost 30 base points, bringing its spread over German bonds to a euro lifetime high. The dollar-yen rose to 80.71, up to 0.3% from late US levels, though it remains within sight of the record low, 79.75 yen, set in 1995. According to the latest polls, the Republicans are poised to take control of the House of Representatives in today's US midterm elections. The Republicans are also projected to win as many as 8 Senate seats, which is enough to hamper Democrats' ability to pass legislation, if not to take control. The expectation on today's turnout from the polls underline the extent of voter anger about the US stuttering economic recovery. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and sterling dollar. The euro dollar pivot point is at 138.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 138.85. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 160 with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.10. Today's calendar of market movers: Swiss retail sales are forecast at 1.4% from 0.1%. EU final manufacturing PMI forecast unchanged at 54.1, and UK construction PMI forecast at 53.1 from 53.8. Now on to equity markets. Equities finishes positive with the Dow up 0.06% and the S&P 500 closing up 0.09%. European bourses were positive, with the FTSE up 0.32%, the DAX was up 0.04%, and the CAC closed up 0.25%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.06%, and the Hang Seng up 0.27%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrea from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.